So lads, long time no see. Today we have a 07 Mazda. We are going to do a caliper replacement. Hopefully it's an easy enough job. So obviously we need to remove the wheel first. Check the car, and then I'm going to show you guys a trick for not having to bleed a lot. Remove this. Stick this into the brake pedal and into the seat. Careful not to damage anything, obviously, like this. And this way we don't need to bleed it so much. Right. So we are replacing this caliper because of this, basically. This is the handbrake cable. As you guys can see, this is rusty as fuck. So basically the handbrake cable does not retract to the correct position because the spring is fucked. That's why we have to replace it. And this car is going for an MCT, so we need a new caliper. So we need to remove one bolt, but push the caliper upwards. Remove the handbrake cable, and we are going to do that first, in fact. Alright, this is out. We should be able to push this out as well. Yeah. Okay, it's out. Foda-se, não foda-se, vai ser o carro. So you guys can see the cable is free. It's a little bit hard to show you guys with only one hand. The cable is completely free.
It's rust as well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the car. I'd say so. Yeah. Usually they are not that picky in the NCT, but still. Sorry.
Looks okay otherwise.
Yeah. I mean that's
tire,
okay.
the inside was completely rubbing on something.
All right.
That's why you do weekends.
Exactly. Nice. Ooh. Whip. Alright. Kind of, yeah. Wish. No. Oh, but I go with this. Okay, it's a good sign. Right, exactly, one down. Okay, so it's not the end of the world, yeah? Nothing. Yeah.
which I'll do now. And then have you ever chased?
Okay. Oh, it's moving slowly, but it's moving. It's a good thing. Let's go backwards a little bit. Okay. Right, it's moving. It's a good sign.
Need me for anything else?
No, not for the moment.
Thanks, man.
No bother. Thank you. Deixa eu ver aqui baixar um bocado a ferramenta. Sim. Alright, it's moving. We need to remove them. These two. This one was seized. It's full of rust. We have to clean it. And I need to remove this one as well. I'm going to try like this. Yeah. Coming out. With us. Yeah. So this is the other one. It's completely fucked as well. So we obviously need to remove the caliper. Ow, ow, ow. Remove the rubbers. Right, the caliper is out. Pads are good. Caliper is completely rusted. So even the piston is completely rusted. Let's say if I lift this, it's going to be even worse. Open this for you guys to see. Yeah, you guys can see there. You can't really see, but yeah, it's rusty. So this caliper is fucked, definitely. So we need to remove this. Let's remove the caliper. Hopefully the thing won't break. It's a 12. Now we need to do this, try to do it in one movement. So we are going to use that pin that holds the caliper. We don't want to fuck the ABS, so ow. We can't put the other one, I think. Oh fuck. If I go like this, yeah. Alright, it's out. It's going to piss a little bit of oil, obviously. Not that much, but it's going to. So we need to put something underneath. There's something here. So remove this. And we have new washers. So we don't need to use these washers. So we remove these washers. And we remove the caliper. So basically this won't fit because these calipers are basically rebuilt. So we need to remove a little bit of material here. And the old support. Remove a little bit more. Or does it goes already? Check. Might. My 14. Let's see. Don't know if you guys can see anything or not, but it's going. That's perfect. Right, it's good. So we need the new washers. We need the same bolt. So one washer. Then we have the fitment here. So we have the bolt, one washer in, and then the other washer underneath. And then we'll go for the caliper. As easy as this. We need to remove this. And we can tight this. Don't over tight this. It's easier to over tight it, so be careful. We need a 12th. And you don't need to over tight this because this is a conic bolt and a bungee bolt, so it's hollowed. If you tie too much, it will break. Oh, it's good. Just enough force to press the washers. So we are using the same rubbers, but we need to clean the holes first. So we need to push this to the side. We are going to clean these pins. I don't have a sandpaper here, so I'm going to use my file. Just clean it, most of it. A little bit of WD-40 just to clean it. And then we'll check, okay, it's moving, but we are not going to use WD-40. WD-40 is just to clean. We're going to use copper grease, it's way better. It's a little bit better. It's a little bit shinier. And then we have, in fact, grease in the box. I'm going to check what type of grease is this. What type of dog is this? Okay, it's not copper grease, so I don't want to use this one. I'm going to use mine because copper grease, like the name says, it's grease. This is this one. And it's made with copper, so it helps to prevent the rusting part. So the next mechanic, hopefully it's me, but the next mechanic that does change the pads or the discs or whatever, don't get stuck like me with fucking blowtorch and fucking heat and a lot of things. So this one is ready. You can stuck it there just for the meantime, and we go for the other one. So like I said, I don't have my fucking sandpaper here, so I have to use my file. It works, so if it works, it's not stupid. Right, it's shiny. Use the WD-40 again to clean it. And we go for the hole again. For the other one, obviously. Go in and out a couple of times. Right, so we do everything in the reverse way. So we put copper grease on this one as well, into the threads as well, to help the tightening. Ooh, did I mention that it's 2 fucking degrees? We put the rubber in. Can feel my fingers. Rubber in. It's in. We push this again. New caliper. Fuck. It's full of dirt now. Fuck. Okay, this one is in. And this one, it's in as well. Okay. Can I get to the bleeder? I can. I have to warm up my hands. Fuck. Can't feel my fingers. Oh, no. Fuck. I just melted my fucking... Oh, Jesus. My fucking jacket. Now, we take this. And obviously we need to press the brake because the piston is not flushed to the pads. And we need to bleed the system. We just need to bleed it here because here is the only place that we got air bubbles. So one, go for the other one. We push the cable in. Push this back there. Okay, it's in. Press. And right, a little bit more, pump it. Press. And I'd say it's good. Let me check the brake fluid. Okay. You need to drop the car, obviously. Oh, it's good. Está apertado. Aqui com o controle. Okay. Well, that's how you replace the caliper on a Mazda 6, I think. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and usual shit. Subscribe, press the like, blah 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 blah. Ciao ciao.